In part one of this video, I showed you how to upload a background image as part of a drag and drop activity. And I also showed you how to add import draggable elements into your activity that your students can use as part of a drag and drop activity. This time I'm going to show you how to finish off this activity, which includes duplicating the page and also creating instructions so your students know how to use the activity. So you can see I've just already set it up. I've set up my coins and they're all ready to go there. What I can do now is there's two options here. So I want to have one for the bear, so one page for the bear, one page for the plane, and a third page of instructions to show the children how to respond to the activity. So you can see along the side here I've got a page panel, and I can add pages to the panel, and I can also duplicate pages. So you can see this is page one. If I click on the three dots at the bottom, I can actually duplicate the page. So I've just duplicated it 3 times, so now I have 3 copies of that same page. Now I'm also going to add on a blank page, and I might put that as page number 1. And I simply did that by just picking it up, dragging it, and dropping it to where I want it to go. So this is my first page, and on this page I'm going to pop in a video which shows the students how to complete the activity. So in order to create that video, I'm going to do it separately using a screencasting software. So I'm going to pause this video, screencast myself playing the activity and explaining to the students how to do it. And then I'm going to show you how to import it into here. Now that I've created my screencast of how to do the activity, I'm going to upload it or import it into page 1 of the activity so the students can watch how to do the activity before they proceed to answering on pages 2 and 3. So the way that I import my video, and you can see it's just sitting at the bottom here, I've downloaded it from my screencasting software. I click on my camera and I click upload. I then need to find where the video is saved. So there you can see it there. It's called Creative Canvas Seesaw. And I select it and hit open. And you can see now it's opened it on this page of Seesaw. So now my students can click on this particular video. You can see there's a play button to watch how to complete my activity. So now that I've got my video in place, I'm just looking over here on my page menu or page bar, and I can see that I've got a page for the teddy bear and a page for the aeroplane, and I've got an extra page. So if I don't need this extra page, I can just delete it, and then I've got the appropriate amount of pages for my students. When I'm finished with this, I can hit tick, and it would have added the template there for my students to respond to. I can now type my instructions out, so I can say watch the video. So I've written out my instructions. I can add voice instructions as well by recording my voice over the written instructions just to help students. Here I can actually add the video again. So I've got that okay, so I can upload that video again. Again, I just pop it in there and tick it, okay? And so that would have uploaded the video for the students to be able to watch the example. I've got my template, and then I can edit it with my skills. When I am ready, I can click save, and my activity will save back into my activity library, ready for me to assign to my students.